Magandang araw sa inyo mga kaguro. Ngayong araw ay may bago tayong update at tungkol ito sa 15,000 increase in basic salary of teachers. Para malaman ang buong detalye, please watch this. 15,000 increase in basic salary of teachers, pushed, an act providing for 15,000 pesos across the board increase in the basic monthly salary of teachers and employees in public basic education and APPROPRIATING funds therefore. The Constitution mandates that the state shall ensure that teaching will attract and retain its rightful share of the best available talents through adequate remuneration and other means of job satisfaction and fulfillment, Section 5 of 5, Article 14, 1987 Philippine Constitution. Despite this mandate, the salaries of our public school teachers, including non-teaching personnel, remain meager considering their roles in and contributions to education services delivery as a public and common good. Under the Salary Standardization Law of 2019, teachers received a little over PHP 6,000 increase, spread across 4 years, or about PHP 1,500 increase annually, which is insufficient to adapt to the current cost of living and to cope with continually rising prices of basic commodities and services, Teachers Dignity Coalition, 2023. With these salary levels, some public school teachers opted for better income opportunities abroad, moonlighting as part-time teachers in private educational institutions and/or freelancing as home-based tutors. Over the years, various teachers' unions and organizations have urged the government to provide decent pay and substantial salary increases to teachers, including non-teaching personnel. As a response, this bill seeks to provide an across-the-board increase of 15,000 pesos, 15,000 Philippine pesos, to the basic monthly salary of teaching and non-teaching personnel in public basic education. Yun lamang ang ating update ngayong araw. Please like and share our Facebook page BFAM. Salamat.